Running Google Ads but not getting zero sales? You are not alone. Most people waste money without knowing what's going wrong. In this video, I will break down exactly why your Google Ads aren't converting and more importantly, how to fix it. Many campaigns fail because they target the wrong audience. Make sure your audience is aligned with your offer. Use detailed demographics, custom intent, and keywords based on buyer intent, not just broad terms. Your ad copy should be benefit focused. Ask yourself, would you click this ad? Highlight solutions include urgency and trust different headlines. A killer ad won't convert if the landing page is slow, messy, or irrelevant. Your page should match your ad, load fast, and have a strong CTA above the fold. If you are not tracking leads or sales properly, how will you know what's working? Set up Google Tag Manager plus GA4 to track every conversion, calls, form fields, purchase, etc. Choosing the wrong bidding type like max clicks intent of conversion can burn your budget. Start with manual CPC or max conversions if you have got enough data. Don't set it and forget it. Regularly test new ad variations, keywords, and extensions. Optimize is an ongoing process. If your Google Ads still aren't converting, don't worry. Subscribe for more tips or comment below with your questions. I will personally help.